Princess treatment.
Yeah, see, I sent her, the money is 60 million, I sent her 55 million already to go and take care of herself.
Which account?
Your account.
Why you lying? You're lying to your fans.
Nah, bad network.
After they voted for you.
Nah, bad network.
You're lying to your fans.
See this girl when they drag me. They will not drag me.
Is that how you used to do?
They will not drag me. See, Kasha is so beautiful. Kasha, you people will not talk about me again. Okay, bye, I'm leaving, it's fine.
Leave me to where?
I'm leaving.
Wait.
See,
Crazy.
Here there's goodness and mercy. Yeah. See, you want to start this nonsense you did in that house?
Are you still fine? Are you still fine like this? Look at yourself. Look at your face.
You're hurting my nose.
Sorry.
Facing with God, don't bless with beauty. Thank you, Miss Fresh. You know if you spoil them, even if you do.
It's very soon.
Yes, so amen.
Amen.
God when, God now.
Oh, I love you too.
Yes, thank you, Esther. I'm fine. I'm cute. First, I want to take my shine.
I'm okay. I don't feel like everyone's expecting this huge.
Yeah, because you give us a lot of drama because of the age thing. So yeah, of course. Like,
so again, I've been saying this is not about the age.
Okay.
It was about the dishonesty. I don't have a problem with the age. If you're going to be that close to me, if you're going to speak to me, if you're going to eat with me, you're going to laugh with me, spend weeks with me, I expect there should be some level of honesty.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm honestly just seeing my family. Mommy, come and say hi. My baby.
Hi, my beautiful people. Thank you.
My mom is so shy. Anyway, so yeah, guys, that's beautiful.
I know. Guys, don't worry.
Like she'll be so funny around you.
We'll leave here support. We're gonna give them I already got it all.
No, she's interacting with her fans. Have you finished live? You guys are watching it. You guys saw
So you can say bye to your people. Meet them later.
What do you call him? Oysters.
Come here.
It's called Oysters. Say Oysters.
Yo, what you was that? Okay, never say good. I'm terrible. Okay, never say good. Okay, never say good. But Tashi was stop. Kira, calm. You guys are babies.
When did you know this is the first time I'm going live? Since I came out during the 8th week, I've never gone live. Like ever.
We're live now, baby. Yeah, you guys.
Energy squad, what you saying?
All over Africa, all over the world, you guys are giving us life. You guys are bragging right. Bragging right. Tosa. Boom, 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 boom. You guys.
Get out of here. But you guys are not getting out.
No, you guys are not going anywhere. You guys are with that.
And you guys are going on this ride with us, guys. I feel so freaking amazing. I can't believe that time is done.
My energy babies, I greet you. So I've come to rant. This celebrity lifestyle, I love it. But it's expensive. The lifestyle costs. Now you no. See this one.
You no.
Because But I love it. Am I living it? No. Are you living it?
Never.
Never.